Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can turn off your voice typing. You can say keyboard voice typing also, or you can say voice typing. Okay, so how you can turn off your voice typing, or how you can turn on. Okay, you can off and on, I will show you. And friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So first of all, here you have to click on setting. After you click on setting, from here you have to scroll on the down. Then friends, here you can see the option of the general management. So here you have to click on general management. When you click on it, you have to click on the option of the keyboard setting. Okay, here inside this multilingual typing, so you want to off or on your voice typing, then you have to click on this option of the keyboard setting. When you click on keyboard setting, from here you can see voice typing. So friends, click on voice typing. After that, here is the use voice typing option, and here is the icons. So if you want to off your voice typing, you just click on this icon. Here your use voice typing will be turned off. Okay, and if you want to use voice typing, then again you just click on this icon. Here use voice typing will be activated. Okay, so this is the option how you can on and off your use voice typing. On the down you can see some icons, and it says the audio donation snippets of your audio input on Gboard will be sent to Google to help improve speech recognition technology for everyone. This setting does not affect audio saved on your device or how Google processes, transcribes and learn from your audio in real time. So if you want to on this, you can on, and if you want to know about this, then you can click on learn more. Okay, so this is the option how you can on and off. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.